So I put together a little nautical collection this morning for you. The spring really brings this out. Although, we're going to start with a little bit lighter than navy. It's not a royal, it's not a navy. It's somewhere in between, but it's just beautiful. The drape is incredible. It's a cotton poly. It's mostly cotton. Great drape, stretch in both directions. So it's just beautiful. It's got a beautiful hand. It's like an ITY, but it's more sophisticated than an ITY. I mean, richer feeling. It's just beautiful. It's really pretty. Then we have a camo, and I put this camo in because it looks so pretty with this. Such a nice blend. So sometimes when we're trying to do things, and this camo's got so many beautiful colors. These camos, you can see, are definitely graduating. Now they're fashionable, and they're just a lot of fun. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction, and the colors are beautiful. All the blues. It's got a little bit of black, so it really goes just about everything. And then we started into a little more nautical. I've got the white ribbing. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Just beautiful, clean, very white. And this is the mini stripe and then the wide stripe. They go together. They're both navy and white, just a dark navy. They're both 100% cotton. They're both what we call woven. They're not printed. So I mean, what that means, they're knitted, but you can see that it's not a printed on fabric when both sides are usable. So it's the yarns that are dyed before they're woven, before they're knitted into the pattern. And the reason that's so much better is because the color resistance is so much stronger. So these are just really good fabrics. This is stretch in one way, also 100% cotton. Same thing. You can see it's a yarn dyed and both sides are usable. So it's really a beautiful fabric. And then we have a really dark navy. And this is a woven. It's 100% cotton. Great pair of pants, a lightweight jacket. You can just see what a great little outfit those will bring you. Throw in a little camo and you're good today. Today only, they're $12.99, but it is today only. And then we'll go from there. But the goal is, happy sewing. Happy fabrics make happy sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.